We live in a radioactive universe. The planet Earth is radioactive, our solar system is radioactive, and everything beyond as well. Even you and I are radioactive. Radiation is everywhere. We are exposed to radiation all the time from multiple sources. We can break down this exposure into two main categories: background radiation and human-made sources. In general, background radiation and human-made sources each contribute 1/2 of our total annual radiation exposure. When we say background radiation, we mean naturally occurring sources of radiation from the Earth and outer space. Our most significant exposure to radiation from background sources is from the Earth itself. For example, a substance called radon-222 accounts for 2/3 of our annual background radiation absorption by our bodies. It's distributed everywhere across the Earth, although certain areas may have more or less concentrations. Radon-222 is an invisible, odorless gas that is harmful if inhaled. It can be present in poorly ventilated basements, but it can also enter groundwater. If it's present in water supplies, taking a hot shower where there's lots of water in the form of steam will increase the likelihood of exposure. There are other radioactive elements that are present in the Earth's crust, like uranium, that will also contribute to this type of naturally occurring background radiation exposure. We are also constantly being exposed to radiation from cosmic sources outside of the Earth. The sun itself produces a wide spectrum of electromagnetic radiation that travels to Earth. The sun will also produce spontaneous solar flares. These yield high-energy electromagnetic radiation, like X-rays and gamma rays, as well as high-energy charged particles like protons and electrons. There are numerous other sources of high-energy radiation emanating from the universe as a whole. For example, supernovas are the violent explosions of stars that eject enormous amounts of mass and release very high-energy radiation. The other part of our radiation exposure comes from human-made sources. In this case, 80% of the exposures come from medical procedures to conduct X-rays of body parts, CT scans, thyroid scans, PET scans, and liver, spleen, and bone scans. The roughly 20% remaining comes from a variety of sources like electronic screens, smoke detectors, heart pacemakers, and even porcelain teeth.